Donald Trump's potential second term is shaping up to be a revival of his earlier policies, but with a more aggressive twist. We're seeing a return to hardline immigration strategies, with plans for a significantly tougher deportation policy that could reshape the landscape of American immigration. On the economic front, an expansion of tariffs is on the table, which could impact trade relations and consumer prices. Perhaps most striking is the push to roll back transgender rights, a move that would resonate deeply with his base but raise significant concerns about civil liberties. As we analyze these proposals, it's crucial to consider how they align with his previous agenda and the implications they hold for the future of American policy. The stakes are high, and the political landscape is as charged as ever.
Donald J. Trump, speaking from the gilded lobby of his Midtown Manhattan tower, excoriated prosecutors and the judge in his criminal case and ran through a litany of false statements. President Biden called the remarks reckless, dangerous, and irresponsible. Michael Gold and Matthew Hawks said Donald J. Trump sought to turn the enormous public interest in his criminal conviction to his advantage on Friday, taking over the gilded lobby of Trump Tower in Manhattan to deliver a rambling 33-minute speech laden with baseless attacks on the prosecution team and the presiding judge and other falsehoods and misleading claims, while boasting about receiving a windfall in campaign contributions. He also said he would appeal the conviction. Mr. Trump, the presumptive Republican nominee and the first person who has served as commander-in-chief to become a convicted felon, derided the trial as rigged, made numerous false statements about what had taken place in court, and called the judge a devil. The speech came one day after he was found guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to cover up a sex scandal that threatened to derail his 2016 presidential campaign. Long before Donald J. Trump was president, New Yorkers were accustomed to seeing his name emblazoned on buildings, golf courses, even a state park. But in the years since he entered politics, Mr. Trump's once potent personal brand has soured in his home state amid legal and political scrutiny. Cynthia Ryder, a Republican and retired registered nurse from Racine, Wis, said Friday that she was quite certain the guilty verdict rendered against former President Donald Trump was a disgrace. The judge was chosen for his partisanship, she insisted. The district attorney had promised to get Mr. Trump, and the jury instructions were stacked for a conviction. There is no evidence for these accusations, which echo criticisms put forth by Mr. Trump and other Republicans.